Hey y'all, welcome to Odd Yawns. In this video today, we're working on expanding our pole barn. We're going through the first few steps, which is prepping the metal that we have right here. We go ahead and dig out our ground, go ahead and put it in there with the concrete, get it nice and level, and we let it set. Then in future videos, we'll come back, we'll cut the tops off and frame it out and put a roof on it. So stick around. Hey y'all, so we're down here at the pole barn we got. We got our strings laid out so we can add on another 10 feet here. Main goals for today, first thing, we're gonna get some of this square tubing over here cut out, trimmed down, because right now we have one like this and one like this with cross supports in between them. So we're gonna cut all those cross supports off, get ourselves our bare poles so that we can lay down 4 of them. After we get them cut off, then we're gonna go ahead and dig our 4 holes about 2 feet deep. Go ahead and get our ropes put back out there, our strings, so we know exactly where to put it, so we'll be in line with the rest of the tractor port or pole barn. And we gonna mix the concrete, get those in there, get them level, pour the concrete in, let them set, and then we'll go from there as far as extending it out like that. So stick around and we'll see how it goes. Hey y'all, so we're back out here now. We got our 4 pieces cut to the approximate correct lengths. We'll have to trim them off once we get them set in the ground and measure them out with the little laser level. Right now we're gonna pull up all these strings that are kind of marking out where we need to dig. We're gonna dig our 4 holes, put the strings back, and then we'll go ahead and be able to start mixing concrete and getting those posts set in. So see how it goes. Okay, as you can see here, we've gotten all of the posts put back in. Our little trick to do it is, we'll go look at it on this corner, is we get the post set in and then we go ahead and we spray paint around the bottom of it, as you can see there and there. So then it makes it a lot easier to get it right back in the same position they were before. And as you can see, lines up pretty nicely there. So we'll go ahead and bring the mule over here with the water. We'll start mixing up the concrete in our bucket, and then we'll get them poured in there, level out the posts, and that should be about it for today. All right, so we're here. We got the first step. We're gonna go ahead and get some water into our bucket here. That'll do for starts. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start mixing in some of this concrete. Mix it up with our drill here, and once we got it thick enough, we'll pour it in until we have enough. And then we'll repeat the process about 4 more times, or 3 more times after this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the generator on, and we'll get to work on this. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. We got our 4 uprights put in. In the next videos, we'll continue. We'll cut off the tops of all 4 of these, make them flush to the rest of the pole barn we got. We'll go ahead and finish framing it out. We'll go all this way, connect it that way, and then put our cross pieces in there so we have something to put the tent on top. We have all the metal here. We just got to get the time to cut it up, fit it up, and then we'll weld it together and go from there.